Greetings and salutations, everyone. My name is Gabriella Minerva. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, hello, how are you? Here on this channel, we talk about natural hair, skincare, and beauty DIYs. If any of those things interest you, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell right after so you don't miss another upload. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I turned this edible fruit into this moisturizing hair mask. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hello, lovely ones. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna be sharing with you some of the benefits of avocado, aloe vera, and honey. Avocados strengthen and nourish the hair. They contain vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and vitamins A and C, as well as vitamin E to help prevent damage from free radicals. These antioxidants are amazing. Not only do they fight free radicals, but they also add nourishment and shine to the hair. Avocados are also a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in coating the hair strands to encourage moisture retention and promote hair growth. Avocados naturally contain oil to hydrate the hair as well and to also aid with shine. They naturally reduce inflammation in the scalp and are known to stimulate hair growth. In addition, avocados also contain mighty minerals such as iron, biotin, copper, and zinc. Honey is a natural humectant that allows for your hair to draw moisture from the air. It smooths the strands and adds shine to the hair. In addition, it is a natural antioxidant, which also protects your hair from free radicals, and naturally antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiparasitic. So if you're struggling with dandruff, these properties help to maintain a healthy scalp environment to encourage hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that remove dead skin cells from the scalp and naturally conditions your hair. It helps to restore damaged hair and reduce hair loss by blocking DHT. These ingredients together make this mask absolutely amazing for dry hair. I definitely see myself using this in the winter months just to get through those dry seasons. So this is the first time I've used avocado in a hair mask. I'm pretty versed in making my own DIY hair mask by now. I've been doing it for a number of years, probably since I've been natural. Since I've been natural. I'm pretty versed at making my own DIY hair mask by now, but there's always something new to learn. This was the first time I've ever used avocado in a hair mask, and I have to say I am very, very surprised and very happy with the results. I wasn't expecting so much moisture and nourishment to come through my hair using the mask, and I think really I was expecting some conditioning properties to transfer into my hair, but honestly you guys, it like blew me away. My hair was so soft and so defined, and I think in conjunction with the honey being a humectant, it just did so much more. I was really surprised at how defined my hair was. Even today, you guys, it's been almost a week and since using the mask, about 5 days, and my hair still feels super soft. It still feels conditioned and it still has definition and hold. And yes, I do have product in it, but it's just basically the same staple products I use all the time, and I honestly do not get results like this at all. Like my hair is frizzy now because I've been like playing in it all week because it's so soft and I keep touching it, which is why the rest of it is in like some twists and a bun back here, because if I take my hair out I will be putting my hands all over it. I think it's called, the term is like hand and hair syndrome, and this is something I can't stop doing, you guys. So I'm gonna try to have some self-control here. But honestly, I just went in right after, like I normally do, with my kinky curly knot today, if you guys can see it, and then I went and followed it through with my moisture milk, and I added, to define my hair, some more with a gel, like a holding gel. I used the Obia Naturals curling custard, and these are like my pretty much staples, my go-to all the time. If I'm not using the curling custard, then I'm using the Obia Naturals twist butter to just twist up my hair, or if I want to do a wash and go, I'll use the kinky curly curling custard, but I have to do a lot with that versus the Obia Naturals. I don't have to do too much, but like you guys, this, let me see if I can show you. All right, so here's my hair, right? I'm gonna take this one out just so you guys can see the difference, because I feel like this part is not doing enough justice on camera. But look at how, like, my hair is so freaking shiny. It's soft. It feels like butter, I feel like the mask just added the extra moisture that I needed, that I was missing, because my hair was pretty dry with this humidity and the heat. Yeah, I put this in my hair Friday night. It is now Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? It's Wednesday. It's now Wednesday, guys. 4, 5, so 5 days. And it's still soft, it's still silky, it's still smooth, and I have like moisture retention, you guys. Moisture retention, I cannot say that enough. Moisture retention. Okay, my hair gets dry pretty quickly. Being low porosity, it requires a lot of effort to get moisture into my hair, and then let alone keep it. So I'm really delighted to know that this combination right here has done the job for me. Like my deep conditioner has done the job for me, rather than me having to go in and reapply constantly, like every couple of days, because my hair is drying out. Like I have to reapply moisturizer. This, I haven't had to touch up moisturizer at all since doing this, and usually I have to, if I want my hair to stay moist and conditioned, which is again work, I would have to go in again with this, or even using the Obia Naturals twist butter, just to kind of put some moisture back into my hair. And now that it's summertime, you know, the humidity is full effect, y'all. So having a humectant is great. My humectant of choice is usually like Orient Handmaid's juices and berries, which I would like apply in my hair on the days that I feel like it's really a lot of humidity, but my hair would puff up and frizz up. So this, I didn't really get that, so I'm very happy about that. I'm sorry for doing that because my mic is right next to So I'm definitely going to be keeping this as part of my regimen. It is a staple. I'm still going to be using the Ayurvedic hair treatments and oils and things like that. I have some things coming up. This wash day, I'm going to be doing a hibiscus tea rinse, so be on the lookout for that, in addition to my hair goals journey video. I'm really excited to be sharing what I'm learning with you all, and I hope that somebody is able to find this video helpful. So if you guys found this video helpful, then go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment down below if you've used any of these 3 ingredients in your own DIY hair mask recipes. Feel free to let me know down in the comments what you would like to see on this channel. And if you really enjoyed this content, you can feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified on when I post my next video. And if you haven't had the opportunity yet to check out any of my other videos, then I'll just leave an info card right here so you can catch up. Go ahead and check it out. Until next time, ta-ta!